Hello everybody. Today I have special order from my daughter Lena. She said, "Hey daddy, can you make for me seafood saute?" I said, "Yes, why not?" And we're gonna make that special order for my daughter. I love you. What we are gonna do, what we have actually, seafood that combined with shrimp, calamar, and salmon. This recipe is really simple and easy to cook. It's gonna be perfect taste and you will be hero of the night. If you are ready, let's go and see all the ingredients and dive into it. Yes, I prepare everything ready right now. I will show you all the ingredients. What I have: 1 medium onion, 4 plum tomatoes, 2 zucchinis, garlic. I will get like 2 or 3 pieces, 2 lemon, and I have salmon, shrimp, and calamar. So let's get started. Yes, I'll start with the onion. I'll chop onions little pieces. So I will cook onion first because onion cooks in a long time. I will use olive oil for fry them. Little bit olive oil. And I'll fire my stove. I'll get my onions. Onion goes to the pan. And I'll chop while my onions cooking. I'm just trying to make good texture. You don't have to peel, or you can peel it. It doesn't matter. Exactly up to you. Zucchinis are ready. Tomatoes, little bit, like, like this. Yes, tomatoes are ready too. I will use 2 pieces of garlic. Now, onions are almost ready. I will add my zucchinis. They're gonna cook with the onions a little bit. At the end, I'm gonna put the tomatoes. After vegetable cook a little bit, I will add all the meats. pieces garlic. Yes, smells are coming. It's pretty good. I can't wait to eat that. I love you, Lena. Thank you for your idea. Now I will add all my seafood stuffs and keep going to cook. Now I'll add some salt and black pepper. That's it. Almost ready, almost ready. Now I can put my tomatoes because tomatoes cooking easily, very easy. I don't want to make them like, you know, broken. I know, a little bit live. I'm sorry for my terrible English. Last ingredient coming. Yes. Now I have a little bit acidity, but also I will put some lemons too. Yes. Everything looks good. Lemons. Yes. That's last touch. Oh yeah. It's almost ready. I'm so hungry. My team is really hungry. They're gonna eat me almost, but I'm gonna give them that delicious dishes, so they're gonna eat that. I'm good. Thank you for that idea to Lena. I love you, Lena. You rescued the day. Thank you for your advice, baby. Yes, everybody, everything ready. My saute is ready right now. Thank you for watching. I hope you're gonna try and enjoy that delicious food. I love you guys. I love you, Lena. Thank you for your idea again. Please keep going to like, subscribe, and share with your friend. And also, please make a comment and I will read them. If you have any idea, I will take care of it. Thank you so much. You have a great day.